Genius Act reshapes stablecoin strategy, says Foresight Ventures partner. Foresight Ventures, Genius Act, stablecoin, journalist, Tanzeel Akhtar, journalist, Tanzeel Akhtar, about author. Tanzeel Akhtar is a seasoned journalist who has been reporting on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology since 2015. Her work has appeared in leading publications including The Wall Street Journal. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. July 18, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Ripple and Circle's applications for U.S. national trust bank charters are being framed less as a bold industry move and more as a calculated, defensive pivot in response to looming regulation. In an interview with Cryptonews, Alice Lee, investment partner and head of North America at Foresight Ventures, explains that the move is fundamentally about future-proofing operations amid rising pressure from the Genius Act, a landmark bill reshaping stablecoin oversight in the United States. In a historic move for U.S. crypto regulation this week, the Genius Act, formerly known as the Guiding and Establishing National Innovation for U.S. Stablecoins Act, has cleared both chambers of Congress. The Genius Act makes clear that any issuer aiming for scale must meet bank-level regulatory standards, said Lee, whose investment focus spans stablecoin infrastructure, payment rails, and Web3 applications. Applying for a bank charter doesn't guarantee approval, but it signals long-term compliance intent to regulators and partners. Stablecoin shakeout. Institutional integration versus DeFi independence. Lee expects the stablecoin sector to split into two camps over the next 12 to 18 months. Institutional-focused players pursuing full licensing and banking integration, and DeFi-native or offshore issuers targeting niche use cases. As U.S. regulatory clarity solidifies, banks and traditional financial rails will face growing pressure to integrate stablecoins, not out of ideological alignment, but due to user demand for faster, cheaper, programmable financial products. Licensing is the new moat and the new barrier. As the stablecoin market matures, Lee says the ability to secure a U.S. banking license is quickly becoming the sector's defining edge, and an operational filter for investors. We no longer evaluate infrastructure startups purely on technical sophistication. Regulatory readiness and ability to integrate with licensed issuers are now critical, she notes. While Ripple's and Circle's path toward becoming full U.S. banks may crowd out direct USD stablecoin competition, Lee sees fertile ground for certain technologies. These include on-chain compliance tools, real-time risk monitoring systems, tokenization middleware, and fiat crypto bridge infrastructure. Startups able to plug into the evolving regulated stack, rather than compete head-on, will be well-positioned. Still, licenses come at a cost. Licenses are both a moat and a constraint, Lee explained. For U.S. dominance, they're non-negotiable. Agility is reduced, but large-scale adoption requires regulatory alignment. For new entrants, distribution is key, but without regulatory credentials, major partners won't engage. Global divergence and the rise of hybrid models. While U.S. bank charters may offer a long-term edge domestically and with institutional clients, Lee believes global stablecoin competition will remain multi-speed. Offshore players like Tether will continue to dominate in DeFi and cross-border use cases due to flexibility and fewer compliance demands. In the short term, Tether and similar issuers won't lose dominance in DeFi, she said. But as regulated players integrate into fintech apps and banking stacks, they'll gradually absorb more institutional and retail flows, especially in treasury and on /off-ramp applications. International jurisdictions are already reacting. The UAE, Singapore, and Hong Kong are actively offering lighter touch frameworks to attract issuers, Lee said. Paradoxically, issuers regulated under the Genius Act may even find it easier to integrate into these emerging hubs, as U.S. oversight lends legitimacy to cross-border deals. Lee concludes that real-world asset, RWA tokenization, already gaining traction, could become the bridge between traditional finance and crypto. Just like Robinhood democratized equities, hybrid models will drive compliant, user-centric financial products, she said. The Genius Act, rather than killing innovation, may accelerate bank crypto collaborations, reshaping the financial system at its core. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Institutional inflows hit $3.7 billion. Could XRP hit $100 in 2025? China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Cardano by the end of 2025. Price analysis. XRP price prediction July 18, 2025. As XRP open interest hits $10 billion, is Ripple going to $4 today? 2 days ago, by Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. XRP price prediction July 17, 2025. Is Ripple price going to $4 today after launch of UXRP ETF? 3 days ago, by Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Picoin, and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. Best crypto to buy now in July 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 5 days ago, by Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in July 18, 2025. 2 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 2 days ago, by Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in July 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 5 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 5 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 13 hours ago, by Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025, by Ben Beto.